Between Canada's 2 billion trees commitment and all sorts of small-scale tree planting in the private sector, planting trees has become one of the latest and greatest fads of environmental accountability, but there are a few critical differences between truly impactful tree planting projects and those just for show. Firstly, tree planting is not a one-time investment that throws a couple trees in the ground and walks away. It should be the first step in a very long, engaged, and intimate process of ecological repair in order to create healthy, diverse, and thriving forest ecosystems. Forests are an intricate, complex medley of different species of trees and understory, so tree planting should only ever very rarely be done with a single species, and only then to enhance diversity in existing stands, because a single species stand is not a forest, it's a tree farm. So replanting should always aim to replicate the native distribution of species for that specific biogeoclimatic zone using science-based decision-making in order to establish biodiversity and healthy ecological function. Tree planting is also not a silver bullet to the environmental and climate issues we face today, and must be paired with other tactics such as reduced harvest, consumption, and carbon emissions in order to truly be effective. And then finally, as us humans always have been and always will be a part of nature, a truly impactful tree planting project has people at its heart and should encourage healthy relationships between ourselves and the natural world we all share. They should create well-paying jobs, improve the quality of life for local communities, and help facilitate opportunity for cultural, social, spiritual, and ecological values alongside long-term economic stability through innovative management. Community and Indigenous-led forest projects are great examples of its feasibility. We just need to make impactful projects like these the norm to create a better world for us all.